Hey everybody. I said I'd try out the Unreal Engine, and that's what I'm doing today. So far I like it. You get a lot of things to work with. I'll show you in a minute. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe the video, or subscribe to my channel, like the video, and get started in just a second. All right. Let's see. I want to get people in here. I'm going to go ahead and post this on Twitter. X. All right. Making a candy-themed driving game. Come say hi. And we'll pin it. Oh, I forgot the link. Dumbass. Dumbass forgot the link. Okay. Making a candy-themed driving game using the Unreal Engine. Come say hi again. And we'll remember the link this time. Sweet. Alright, anything else? Pin it. Pan. Yeah. Let's get started, huh? Okay. Close out of that so it's not distracting me. Alright, this is what we have so far. So when you get the Unreal Engine, it comes with all sorts of stuff. And what you're looking at here is a default driving game template that they give you. And I'm just kind of learning the ropes here by trying to take this game and transform it into a candy themed game. And right now, so far, it's only been the visual aspect of the game that I've been editing, which is fine. But let me go ahead and play this so you can see what it looks like. Pretty slow for me. Forget to drive. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So that was a road. It looked like a road, and I turned it into a candy cane, which I like a lot. It looks cool driving on it. Stripes flying by. Alright. But we got a lot of work to do because this needs to look more candy-ish. Alright. So let me get out of this preview. Alright, so the first thing I see is these, I guess, safety curbs or whatever. And I believe that they are some of these objects up here. I'm not sure though. See if I can disable them, and that will help me determine which thing I'm supposed to be looking at. So those are the walls. So I'm like outside of the area there. It's in this somehow. All right, so let's look at how this is working here. So I think it's the material, or actually it's not the material. It can't be, because I changed the material. Let's see, what can we, let's see. There is a lot of stuff here, so this might not be the most interesting thing to watch, but gotta do it. Spatially loaded. Cooking. World partition. Data layers. There's nothing there. Persistent level. Authority. Replication. No. Target. That's pretty much everything. Advanced. Nope. MISC. Streaming. Block all. Advanced. Say physics. Rendering. 0. Texture streaming. Advanced. Small reflections. I have no idea where it is. All. I'm wondering if I just added a material or something. No? World settings. All. AI system. Nanite. Allow masked materials. No. World to meters 100. Let's see. Game mode override. Nope. Okay, it's not that. World partition. Data layers. It's not that, I don't think. There's 2 layers on here. I deleted a layer. I didn't see anything change on the... I guess that was the wrong thing to do. It looks like it's a separate thing. Is it like is it on top of it? Perhaps? Maybe I'm looking at two different objects here. Let's see. So this is under landscape. Landscape spline actor. Proximity. There's only one that like highlights the thing that I'm looking for. So, in other words, I can't find it. What is this? Convert this actor. No. Do we have material here? We don't have it here. We have it here. Texture? I don't think texture... Yeah, I don't think texture is, I think texture is part of the material. But the material I changed, I thought. But I don't see it here. Road bumps. Can I search that level now? I can only search the names of the classes. Think here. This is the road itself. If I turn it off, I don't see it anymore. Okay, fair enough. Does I do this? All the results have been filtered. Show only. Show all advanced details. Yes, I want all advanced details. Target landscape. Landscape. I just don't see where the material is even on here. I guess it's on here. Is that the top? No. Oh man. This is probably going about as good as I thought it was going to go. So we have a physical material override. And we have none. I know I can like drag the materials. Like I can take one of these materials, one of these textures actually, and just drag it and then change the entire thing, I think. Didn't seem to happen though. See if I'll try it again. Worked before. Maybe I'm not, like, updating this or something. I bet you I can go to the material in the content drawer, right-click it, and then we can hopefully find some references. Yeah, here, reference viewer. So vehicle ADV example map is mapped to this texture right here. So can I change it? This is me actually editing the texture. Okay, that's one thing I can do. It's not what I want to do. Let me go into this one. Alright, so we have a lot of physical materials going into this road, and I'm assuming that one of them is the one that I'm looking for. Okay, I guess this is the entire world. And there's some stuff that I'd like to remove. I'm not sure which one. That says it's a ramp. It's crazy I mapped. In the other view, it looked like this entire thing was mapped to that material, but I don't think that's right. This says world material grid. That's like the base material for everything. That's something to remember. I'm going to change that. I need to change that. I think that this is everything in the game. Sky. Some cubes. I don't know where they are. And then this has a map too. So if I go into each of those, they open to a subsequence. And then this one will take me back. Does it just never end? Yeah, I guess there's no way for me to get out of this. Alright, so HOD layer, HOD instance. So what's the easiest way for me to like disable these? Probably this way. There's got to be like a tree viewer or something. Let's see. Edit. I can edit this. Thought I could edit it. Edit. Okay. I think I'm just in that. So we got some cylinders in the game. Ramp. What else do we got? World partition minimap. Click on that. It's like a loop, I guess. Oh. Excuse me. More cylinders. Cube. Some cubes. And the cubes have that material, so that's not the ones I'm looking for. Heck am I? Oh, okay. So it's not those cubes. Landscape spline actor. Oh, here we go. This is definitely it. So it's one of these. Is this a switch here? I see it there. So this is the track. Okay. Let's see. Let's go over here. Here we go. This thing is exactly what I want to change. So can we swap this? Maybe we'll have to add one in or something. I don't know, just freaking delete it. I can't. Can I not delete this? I know I can edit it, but I don't want to edit it. Click edit on this one. Okay, and it brings me into this visual editor. That's cool. But I don't see anything. Yeah. Am I editing the mesh here? I don't think I am. Re-import base mesh. That's not what we want. That's not it. Alright, so what we're looking for is not here, although this is kind of... Hey, John Worldman, good to see you. Is breakfast ready? I'm drinking cold coffee, John. Alright, so... How can I... It seems like I'm only doing a read-only here. Alright, so... That was informative, I guess. That is part of the mesh and the materials. Alright. Let me get out of here. See if we can find it now. This is the right one. I'm confident in that. So let's see. Mesh. No. I think we have to go to the root component, maybe. No. I tried to edit in C++ before, but it just takes you to the source class. It's not very helpful. I don't want to edit. You can't even edit the source class, so I don't even know why it does. It takes you there. It should take you to the instance, right? But you can't. There's no edit in C++ on the instance. Something I'm missing here. Something I'm definitely missing. You know, like, knowledge-wise. Yeah, it's just not... It's not here. Editor only. Do-do-do-do. 012 light channels. That's cool. Yeah, there's so much here. There's really just top of the line, everything right at your fingertips. It's insane. Let's see. It's part of this object, so let's see. Let's edit this object. Or something. Replace actor. Frame selected. Visibility. Transform. Where's the editor? There's a way, I know there's a way to pull up that other window. Let's see. I was just right clicking on it and it was pulling up a different menu. I'm not sure why. Oh, it was up here. Place actor. Edit. It's gotta be edit. But I don't see it. Validate. Pilot. Move the selected. No. Snap. Here's an editor. This is for the material though. I don't need to edit the material. Again, something I do want to do soon, but I kind of want to just stick to what I'm doing here. What is this? This is a landscape spline actor. And then here we have static mesh actor. So this actor is landscape spline, whatever that means. I assume it means it's attached to the landscape. And there's something I'm missing. Let's see. Reusable blueprint. No, that's not what I want. Let's see here. Layers? No. What else do we got? How did I get to where I just was, I guess? No, I don't. Settings. World settings. No. New blueprint class. Maybe I did need to convert it to a blueprint. Where was that though? I already forgot where it was. Place actor. Replace. Was that here? No. Oh, it was here, wasn't it? Yeah, see, I don't think that's it. Landscape actor. And then the problem is I don't even know how to get to where I was a second ago. Or, a few minutes ago. Maybe I should just watch the video. Yeah, here. I'll go watch the video and see how I got there. Because I have the memory of a tuna fish sandwich. Alright, I don't want this music to clash. Pause. Go watch the video and see ADV road bumps. Is it on top of it? Perhaps? God, I look like such an idiot. Maybe I'm looking at two different objects here. Let's see. So this is under landscape. Landscape spline actor. Come on, get to the goods. Proximity. There's only one that highlights the thing that I'm looking for. So, in other words, I can't find it. What is this? Convert this actor. No. Do we have material here? We don't have it here. We have it here. Texture? I don't think texture. I have trouble saying the word texture. Yeah, I don't think slow texture is. I think texture is part of the material. But the material I changed, I thought. But I don't see it here. texture. Road bumps. Off, I don't see it. So impatient. Can I search that level now? I can only search the names of the classes. Now I remember. Alright, back on with the music. Can you hear the music? Let me know if you can't hear it. Alright, so content drawer, and then I can do the reference viewer, and then I'm in the reference viewer right now. So that's, I guess, read only. And the part of this is huge. Part of this that we were looking at was something. Hold on a second. I have to fake viewership real quick. Hold on. Some guy. If you ever see some guy, that's me. Let's get some hearts. Get a like on there. Set that quality real low. Real low. Talking, can't even see it. Looking like looking through some messed up glass or something. Alright, so yeah, the spline actor, this thing. Alright, so here's the material that I changed. It's good. Here's the static mesh track. And last time I clicked edit on the static mesh track. I'm going to do that again. And I think what I want might be here. I just can't see it. So this is the mesh. Okay. Actually, it's not here. The mesh is, I mean, it looks like it's here. Looks like it's part of that outer rim right there. Let me see. Window. Details? I'm surprised details was not there. Yeah, here we go. All right, perfect. So, here we're looking at the underlying layer of the track. I'm actually going to change that to my candy cane and then remove the other one. Where is it? This guy. And then the track edge. What can we make that? Let's see if we have something. They give you a lot of stuff by default, so it'd be worth it for me to just take a peek and see if there's anything usable there. Otherwise, it's pretty easy to find stuff. Doesn't even have to be anything like off-road car wheel, walnut. Doesn't really look like walnut, huh? I guess because it's got some kind of image mapped to it. Oh, no, there it is. That's good. Walnut, the walnut kind of looks like chocolate almost. And I think we could edit it to make it look like chocolate. But let's keep going and see what else there is. There's this one with more sheen that kind of looks like chocolate too. And, you know, whatever. I mean, we don't have to eat it. It doesn't have to be actual chocolate. I mean, it's just rendering anyway. Yeah, that looks good. If it weren't for the wood grain, that would look really good. that's worn. So we'll do polished now, and this might be the one. We can edit these. I'm not sure why I'm not editing them. It's like I think only thing I have to do is remove the texture mapping. I'm gonna do it. Alright, so I don't want to, let's see, can we duplicate these? Copy, yeah. Copy. I hate this interface. This, where you create things in this little, there should just be like a plus button or something, and it takes me right into naming it, but I have to open this twice. It's, annoying. Okay, now, yeah, see, look, now I have to paste. Alright. And then I should have a copy of that. Paste. What does paste even do? What does copy even do? I don't know if I created anything or not. Seems I can only sort by the name of things, and there's a lot here. There's a lot here. Okay, well, yeah. I will just... I'll just edit the, this. Okay, edit. Maybe I can do like a save as in the editor. Save as. Save as something new. And we'll just call this chocolate. Okay, and I think the only thing that we have to do is remove the texture. Replace it. Let's see. A physical material? No? Alright, well it's somewhere over here on this, what, blueprint editor? I'm not sure. I think that they are actually using a shader for that. Flat, normal, there's so much stuff here. Over normal distance. Pixel depth with noise. Okay, yeah. I just want to kind of like delete all of this. Probably not deleting the right things. It doesn't look to be changing the right way, but I'll just keep deleting until I see the right thing gone. Heck am I? I don't know why. I have a lot of comments to make about the user interface here on the Unreal Engine. Okay, let me Control Z all that, because none of that was necessary at all. This is my thing right here, I think. These two things. You can actually see. Alright. Goodbye. I probably messed it up. Okay. Keep going. Okay. I think I delete this. Oh wait, you can do bypass. Zoom in, dude. What are you doing? I don't see a bypass. Whatever, delete it. Okay, now I see something different. Not in a good way. But I think that if I could have bypassed, it would have been fine. Can I now map this to here? It doesn't like that. Alright, try something else. Oh, it goes to there? I'll try it again. This goes to here. No. Connections are not compatible. I'll have to connect it to the alpha channel. Come on, little buddy. I know you're over budget, but overworked. Huh. I have an error. Alright, so that didn't work. So well, that didn't work. Sampler type is normal. Control A Alt for more. How do I change this? I don't think I can. I think I can add a new texture sample. So let me try that. Texture sample. Okay, so I get the exact same thing, kind of, with that. Well, not really, actually. Alright, let me see where this is. So the RGB channel is routed to what? The A channel, that's what I thought. So let's replace this with this, which looks kind of the same. Oh my god, dude. Give me the... This thing is so slow. Ugh. Okay. I have to go again and see exactly how that... Yeah, it was mapped to UV. Is the eye. Okay. Gotta be a way to fix this freaking visual thing. Okay. Done there. There should definitely be a way to bypass these. Whatever. Alright, so now map this RGB to A. Yes, you do like that. Yeah, and it looks largely the same. I think we can just apply one of these textures here, huh? What do you think? No. Sampler type. RGBA. Maybe we should be mapping the alpha channel instead of the RGB. Like, you know, the one that we're not currently mapping. The negative, I guess. How do I... Is there a break node link? Oh yeah, okay, cool. And then link this one up to the A channel, right? Output nodes are on the right. Input nodes are on the left. Goes from left to right. It looks pretty much the same. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. All right, let's see if we can do anything. Use current texture. Convert to texture object. Why can't I edit this? This is a texture sample. Okay. Shared warp. Why does it look so much the same? Shader type, or sampler type. I would like it to be a color, that'd be cool. But it has to be a normal. Yeah, it has to be a normal. I guess it's compatible with other things. But why can't I change that? I added a new one like this. And it just default gave me that texture. It's really weird. Really weird. UVs. Yeah, I don't know. Honestly. Red channel, green channel, blue channel, alpha channel. That shows me less. Use current texture. It's probably what's happening. click apply. I guess that's to avoid the render lag. But it's still not rendered, I guess. I see it. It's yeah. No. What else do we got? Oh, is it this? No, it's not this. Alright. But there's, yeah, so there's more stuff going on here. Oh, I see. We removed the, no, we didn't. We still have the horizontal lines. Do we need this channel at all? Where does this go? To the object itself? I don't think we need it. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, we need something there, yes. Let's use the A channel instead of the R channel. So the R channel we have as specular. Let's disconnect that. What is it? Break this link. Okay. Let's break this link. Although, yeah. That's really not what I wanted to do. Specular node. What are we trying to change this into? Chocolate, right? Do they have chocolate? No. The wood is very close. It's like the one I already have. Let's see. Here, map the other two remaining channels to base color. Can we do that? And the alpha channel as well. Oh, it's only... I see. Alright, so I think I know what to do. Alright, so let's find an image. Some chocolate texture. I don't want it to be lit, you know? Or I don't want it to be two-tone. I mean, I guess I just need solid brown. I can do a new material, can't I? Create a new asset. A new texture. I don't see that though. But whatever, so I can just... this is what I need right here. Save image. Just brown. Except I don't need that crayon in it. Alright, I'm doing this. MS Paint time. Alright. I need need it to be a square. Let's see. I get this from. Just copy this one. Crop that out. Jocko. Alright, and then I can drag it onto my object actually, but let me see if I can drag it onto here. Let's see, I can, maybe it's the content drawer. Let's see, content drawer. Open up. Yeah, there it is. Alright, now I can replace this. What do you mean it's not compatible? Whatever, just delete it. Okay. All the way over here. This thing. And then the base color, RGB. And then the specular from R. There we go, there's our chocolate. We gotta get rid of this stupid mapping right here. Use the same texture for it pretty much. Is that redundant? Do I even need to do that? I think so, because the noise, which it's making my chocolate look a little melted. But whatever. This thing is so slow on my laptop. Alright, 2 UVs, and then RGB to A. This is all new to me. I didn't learn it on Udemy. Alright, cool. Except I don't think we need that noise that's going on in there. See that? Contrast. Yeah, that's fine. The noise is happening over here. Right here. And we can just reduce it because I think we do need some of it. I'm gonna cut it in half. Yeah, I can already see that fixing it. And then I see so this one goes alpha R. I can just replace this dude. Probably not the most ideal way to do this, but I don't exactly know what I'm doing. Wasn't that R channel? Now, I don't know if that's the bad rendering or what, but like the why it looks so squarish. But I'll figure that out later. I think I've had enough chocolate. I'm starting to get a stomach ache. But that looks okay. So the whole point of that was to make the rim of the track into chocolate. So let's see what that's gonna look like. Did it? Okay, yeah. I created a material, chocolate. I don't know if it's shiny enough to be chocolate. And also, it still kind of looks like wood. Alright, let me get out of here. It's better than the track looking thing that it was before. And I may change it again. Alright, you can close out of chocolate. I think I need to close Visual Studio. Possibly. Can't hurt. Close out the reference viewer. It's very dark chocolate. It's much too dark. Much too dark. But whatever. Fix it later. Be easy to fix. I'll fix it now. Cursor keeps disappearing. It's super annoying. Alright, edit the texture. Can we do some... Let's see, what can we do? Brightness, saturation. Let's change that to 2. Yeah. Now that it's a little bit more saturated. Still looks dark though. How's that? Is it just not updated here? No, it's still dark. I don't know. Go back to chocolate. Back to the reference viewer. We're not using that texture? Okay. What else do we got? What else can we do that? The track was the name of the... No. Oh, we're in textures, so we'll get out of textures and then look for track again. Yeah, this was it. M track. Or wait. This right here. Okay. So there's the chocolate. It's being used here. I'm not sure why I didn't see that in the reference editor, but whatever. Highlight? I don't know why it looks so dark. It's hard to edit this material when it doesn't look like it does when I'm editing it. Edit. I guess it's like more on the darker side. So we got default lit. Subsurface? That didn't work. Clear coat. I don't know. Does that look better? I really should learn all about this rendering stuff. It's kind of important. It's kind of important. What else do we got here? Because it looks like, you know, I could know that for sure. Here, let me go back to my world and see if this material looks different when applied to a different kind of object. You know what? I'm gonna apply it to the whole freaking world. It's a big ass cube. I can't change that because it's part of the landscape. So this is the material that I'm editing here, okay? Revision control. This is so cool. Wow, okay, cool, thank you. I thought it would be kind of boring, but I appreciate that, Mr. Ghost. Alright. Problem is I can't find anything. Appreciate you. I really do. This is world settings, and I know that there's a material linked to the world, like a default material for everything in the world. Open level blueprint. This is the blueprint for the level. Okay. Doesn't have anything to do with the rendering, I guess. So, do we have another option there? Open blueprint class. But these are some of the default blueprints that they give us. Okay. I think this is it here. Let's see. Problem is I can't override this material. Let me look for that in the content drawer. This one. And let's go to the reference viewer again. And it's right here. Okay. This is just all the assets of the game. And you see up here world grid material. All right, now let me add in my chocolate, or hopefully. Let's see, oh, I'm in the, yeah, I'm not in the editor actually. So if I click edit, I should be able to go into, oh, nope. All right, how do I actually get to this? Edit. Show referenced objects list. No. Show reference tree. Does it not do anything? Edit. Browse to asset. Here it is. Oh, I think this is a pop-up window. No, I still don't see it. What did I just do? Oh, it keeps adding them in? Yeah, I didn't want to do all that. Let's see. Got obstacles. Yes. Hierarchy. No instances found. Preview state, hide unrelated. It's not. Trying to get back to where I was. Reference viewer. Alright. Here's static mesh, and if I, so how do we do edit on that? It actually opens that up. Okay. And then this is the parent, but I can't edit this. Maybe it'll let me edit, yeah. Editing this material is an advanced workflow. Default materials must be available as a code fallback at all times. Compilation errors are not handled gracefully. Save your work, okay? Thank you for the warning. I don't want to directly edit this material though. I want to replace the default world material. Maybe that's something under project settings. Default material. I don't see that. That's here. It's not set. Chocolate. Save. Save the chocolate. Where's the chocolate? Come on, y'all. I still see no chocolate. Let's see. Click on one of these little objects. Come on, buddy. There we go. At this here, it's still prompting me to edit the material. I don't want to do that. And then my prototype grid, replace actor. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Transform? No. Edit? No. It's not world settings, is it? No. Okay, text render actor world partition minimap world data layers. Game mode override, pre-compute visibility. I'm just surprised that I can't, you know, replace these. There's got to be a way to replace the default texture, default material. Change the parent. I don't know how good that's gonna do. Pretty chocolatey. And it's probably a little too much chocolate, I'd say. And obviously I don't like those grid lines, but that's not what I wanted to do. I just wanted to test and see if that would work, and it did. Chocolate. Let's see, what else can I do? Yeah, Googling would probably be good right now. Let's Google it. It's not an easy thing to change the default material or world grid material in the engine content engine materials. Okay. I think I tried that. That was editor. It was the wrong thing to go to. I need to go to project settings. Engine. Where did he say it was? Default material or world grid material in the engine materials. Engine content. And I'll see it. Landscape, probably. That's where I already changed it. Mesh budget. Interchange material X. Yeah, that's not it. I don't. Whatever. Alright. Let's go back. Edit the freaking material. It's this one. I don't see the thing that I'm looking for. I guess there's no grid on it. It's just not properly mapped. There you have it. Alright, so I guess these walls actually have those materials hard-coded, possibly. Let's see here. Yeah, it does. So we can change that as well. More chocolate. We'll do this one too. Sorry, my brain went offline for a second. I want to use the chocolate for that. Cool. More chocolate for me. Chocolate. Okay. Alright, so just to save some time here, I'm gonna convert these cylinders into candy cane. They already started to do it. Oh my gosh. I gotta really figure out how to work this thing better. Alright. No, eye stalk. Others. Yay. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Ice stock. Oh, just get me over there. Yeah, okay, cool. I could have just deleted it, I guess. Okay, cool. Definitely looking more candy-ish now. What to do about these? For now, we'll just do candy canes on all of them. I think it'd be easier for me to use some sort of automation tool if I can. God, suck at this editor. It's sort of similar to Blender, but anyway, whatever, that's good enough. Alright, so the candy cane. So far I haven't had to code at all, but knowing about code and object-oriented programming is a big bonus. Can I do like just like apply, edit, redo or something? I don't know, I'll figure that out later. For now, I think this is gonna be the quickest way. I'm just trying to candy caneify everything. Content drawer. This is game development, everybody. Sometimes dogs are loud. Come on. Oh, I think I can do it like this. My mouse cursor keeps disappearing. It's super annoying. There we go. One more. We can do this. We can do this. Okay. There we go. Alright, so the sky's got to change too. And I have a sky already. So let's see if we can change the sky. I don't know. Best way to get to this. That's the material. Is there anything on here in this thing about the sky? Yeah, there's the sky. Okay, it looks pretty... I think we can add something here. First of all, if I take this away, what happens? It's kind of crazy. That's the light from the sky. It has an effect on all the objects below. Alright, but the actual... what's in the sky? That's this. I think this is just an image. I think I can edit it safely. Maybe not. What is pilot? I don't... Let's see. We got planet, atmosphere, Rayleigh scattering. A whole lot goes into this sky. It's pretty crazy. Well, there's a quick fix. Just make it like a pinkish sky. Gotta be careful not to make it like too satanic. I have no idea what this is, by the way. I'm just playing with it. Okay. That's a pretty interesting looking sky. I'd say that's pretty good for the level. Alright, let's play it. And remember, I'm not on the best hardware right now, so it's not going to run the best. So for the environment, I think that chocolate material is... I'm not sure if that's like a rendering issue because my setup is so bad or whatever. But, I mean, I'll play it on a different system later. Yeah, I have to believe that that's something wrong with the material that's doing that. Showing that after image. It's really weird. But pretty cool. I mean, yes, I used a yes, I used a starter template. Yes, it's there's not a lot in this, and yes, I don't know how to drive a stick shift, but yeah, I mean, you get the idea. Now, what can we do about the car? I think that it would be good to do something about the car. And then I'll figure out what's going on with the chocolate material, why it looks so freaking psychedelic. Alright, to the car. Let's see. I believe this is it. Alright, so this is the car. It's got some brake lights. This is not where I need to be. Okay, so we have the mesh here. Okay. And there's going to be probably something that we can do pretty easily to this. Let's see here. So I just changed like the inside of it to that blue color. You see that? I'm gonna give it the two-tone. I called it Candy Cane because I didn't know what I was doing. I'll go ahead and edit that and make it like pink or something. Cyan and pink with yeah, whatever, that works. The shading model is I. Let's change the shading model to clear coat. Yeah, there we go. Okay. There we go. Not the best looking, but whatever. Alright, so the tire. I don't know. Really. Yeah, I don't know. I like that. I actually like that. Alright, cool. This car, the inner car, gonna be made of chocolate. That's not the one. I feel like the car should be made of chocolate. Yeah. Is there like a specular node or something? It looks weird. I guess that's the material that needs to be fixed. But it does look like there's like let's see. Search for specular. No. I guess I'll go ahead and change all the other stuff to chocolate too. No more real looking materials anymore. I hate this editor so much. There we go. Alright, yeah, it's doing something weird. Cloth. What is on top of it? Oh, that's just a gizmo thing or whatever. Physics. Physical material override. Deformer. Use CDD. Not sure what CDD is. Cast shadow. I do want cast shadow. So the chocolate on the car right there looks totally fine. Or the windshield, I mean. So something's going on with the chassis. Bring me closer. Some like it's like I don't know. I don't know. I don't think that type of property is on the mesh, do I? I don't know. Let's try. Here's the mesh. That looks... Yeah, the mesh does have materials, huh? Alright, well, we will obviously have to change these as well. Which is weird. But alright, so pretty much everything's all chocolate. Can we do this? No, we can't do that. And then I see some of that other stuff happening on here, so I assume that it's like a damper or whatever. The tire. That's gonna be candy. Candy tire. Alright, so what else is happening on here? Oh, the damper is a part of the car. I feel stupid. Process, blah, blah. This would be something on the chassis of the car. Come on, dude. I think it's the car that is causing all the issues render-wise. I can't believe there's an axle. It's insane. Why are they bones? It's weird. Oh, it's a skeleton. That's why. Reduction settings. It's somewhere here. Triangles. It's gonna be like a center button. I don't even know where I am on this. Whatever, just save it and then back here. Alright, still not where we want to be with the mesh, I think. Because it still looks like that there. Got sections in here. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's what it is. My GPU does not support ray tracing, I don't think. I don't even know what section it is, to be honest. They all look, other than the slot, they all look pretty much the same. So I don't know why it looks like that. There's no overlay. The level of detail. Yeah, no, that's not it. I don't want to make it 2D or anything. Mesh. I thought I was editing the mesh. Import content. Do you see that? It still looks the same. Alright guys, I gotta go. I'll be back to do more of this later. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Coding Things IRL. And watch out for notifications. Hit the bell icon. And we'll go live pretty soon. And let me know if you want to see more Unreal Engine. Alright. Peace out, guys.